Fun with fractions and decimals in English. Hello learners! We are going to delve into an exciting part of the English language today, fractions and decimals. This will be particularly interesting if you're keen on math. But don't worry, even if math is not your favorite, we will make it super fun and easy. Let's get started. Firstly, what is a fraction? In the simplest of terms, a fraction represents a part of a whole. For example, if you eat one slice of a pizza that has been cut into 4 equal parts, you've eaten 1/4 or 1/4 of the pizza. In English, we express fractions as numerator over denominator. The numerator is the number on the top of a fraction, and the denominator is the number on the bottom. Now, how do we pronounce fractions in English? Here are a few examples. 1/2 is read as 1/2 or a half. 1/3 is 1/3. 2/3 is 2/3. 3/4 is 3/4 or 3/4. One important point to remember is that for fractions larger than 1, we use the plural form. For example, 3/2 is pronounced as 3/2. Now, let's move on to decimals. Decimals represent fractions in a different way. They are based on the concept of tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. In English, we pronounce the decimal point as point. Here's how you'd read some decimals. 0.5 is read as 0.5. 0.75 is 0.75. 0.025 is 0.025. We read every digit individually after the decimal point. We often use fractions and decimals in everyday life, sometimes without even realizing it. For example, when we check the time, we may say it's 8:30, 8:30, which is a use of fractions. When we talk about money, $1.50 is read as $1.50, another instance where we use the concept of decimals. I hope you found this introduction to fractions and decimals in English helpful. Understanding these concepts will greatly improve your English language skills, especially in situations involving math or daily activities. Keep practicing and you'll master fractions and decimals in no time. See you in the next video where we'll continue our exciting journey in English learning. Happy learning, everyone!